Hi, my name is Stefano Capusecco. I'm the Director of Product Marketing at Westinghouse Lighting. Today, we'll be discussing relamping a previously rewired fluorescent fixtures using universal TLED light bulbs. This is the Westinghouse Universal TLED lamp, and what's nice about this lamp is that it works in both configuration. This is considered a third generation type of product and works on a single-ended wiring configuration and a double-ended wiring configuration. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Be sure to turn the power off. Turn the breaker off at the panel box. This fixture was previously converted using a single-ended wiring configuration. What that means is the power comes in only on one side and all the wiring with non-shunted sockets feeds just one end. There's no power on the other end. So that's single-ended, and this is double-ended wiring configuration. Again, these are ballast bypass where the ballast was removed, and in this case it's a double-ended wiring configuration where the power comes in but it goes at both ends. So with this universal type of lamp, it can power both fixtures, either wiring configuration. And what's nice about that is that when there's time to replace these TLED lamps on fixtures that have already been bypassed the ballast, you don't have to know exactly what kind of configuration you have, single or double. What you do is use this lamp and plug it in, turn the power on, and it works there. And for the single-ended, just make sure that the lamp with a line and neutral is on the side that there's power. For the double-ended, that's not as important because there's power on both ends. Turn the power on, and there you have it. This T-Universal bulb is the best of both worlds, that it can power either type of ballast bypass fixture, single-ended or double-ended.